Alright, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make one of my favorite things growing up. We're going to make oatmeal, or we're going to call it oats porridge. It's very easy, very simple recipe. After you make this, your family going to love it. If you even try to make it already and lumpy or a flavor not good, you'll watch the video and you're going to see how we make ours, how we make mine, and then you're going to try it. And you're going to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how it turned out. This one is absolutely good. Kids love it, old people love it, your mother going to love it, your father going to love it, your husband, your wife, your brother, your sister. You're going to just love this one. So it's very easy. It's just oatmeal. We're using coconut milk, condensed milk. We're using regular milk. We're using cinnamon, nutmeg. You're going to love that video. So just subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Share the video as well. And I thank you guys. Just let's get on to it. Alright, so don't worry, I got you covered. These are the ingredients that you'll need to make it yourself. You need some coconut milk, condensed milk, regular milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, salt and pepper, and of course some vanilla. You can also add some butter to it, but I don't really like butter. So now use no butter. So we start by heating up the milk, then we're going to add some water. That's not on the ingredients of this, but I have some water in it, and I also have some cinnamon leaves. You know them cinnamon leaves, so I'm adding. Yeah, we're adding some of that into the porridge because it gives it nice flavor. So we want to bring this to a boil. Add in our vanilla, then we add in our cinnamon. The nutmeg, we're going to add the nutmeg at last. You can add the nutmeg in the beginning if you want, but we're choosing to add it at last. And we add in 1 cup of oatmeal. 1 minute. Just continue adding all of the flavor. This is 1 minute oatmeal.